I want to thank you for joining us today. This is our first member minute video that we're doing today. We're excited to have you on board, and I understand this is, these are challenging times, but I'm glad to know that we have a member, and you're fairly one of our newer members, but we're glad to have you on today for our first member minute video. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Of course, you know, your business is Texas Chemical Cleaning. I understand, you know, obviously we're in the middle of a pandemic, so this is a very important topic. Can you tell us a little about yourself and your business?
I'm the CEO of Texas Medical Transportation initially, this is how TCC started, the Texas Chemical business, to sanitize a large fleet of vehicles, over 200 vehicles that we on a daily basis transport over 600 clients, 600 patients, members, and TCC help us sanitize our vehicles and go through the whole pandemic with 0 cases for, long time, for drivers and patients for a long time. So we're trying to help other businesses now do the same thing, like go through this and stay in business as we did for the few months that passed.
That's good to know. I mean, obviously, staying safe and making sure that we're following all the CDC guidelines are very important in order for a business to keep their doors open, and also to have customers feel safe to come in and shop or do whatever they need to do for our local businesses in the area. Obviously, there's work safe plans out there for the city of Edinburg, but having a company that can help them assure and put a name behind it makes it even better, to continue to operate. So with that said, how are some of the things our businesses can do to ensure that their employees are safe through this sanitation process?
Well, the sanitation is not going to affect employees. We rather to schedule our sanitizing sessions with every business on their own time. So we can do this at night. We can do this early in the morning. It depends on their schedule. For safety of the employees and for safety of the clients, our product can stay for 30 days in effect, and help them gain their clients back, help them have their doors open. We actually supply as well with this, a certificate from us says that this place is sanitized inside the place, inside the business, and outside with a sticker that says that this place has been sanitized by TCC, that makes clients walk in and know that this place is safe. Also, we are running a lot of specials for the businesses. We know that it's a hard time, and businesses are not making the regular income they're making, and we have some also special packages for this as well, for prices.
Great. You talked about a certain aspect of it. I know it is great to have these operational times that can help a business out during flexibility and all that. But what else products and services do you provide? I know right now the concentration is that type of service, but what else can you do for businesses and in the area?
We also can help transport people. On the other hand, we can also help transport for TMT on demand as well. We have TMT on demand. If you're not a Medicaid or Medicare, We actually do this as a private right. You can call us. We can, as for the patient that uses wheelchairs or canes or they cannot. We have all kind of vehicles that can support this. We have ramps. We have hydraulic ramps. We have vehicles that can support people that cannot go to places on their own. To do grocery, to go to the hospital, whatever they want to go. So that's something we can, especially for the COVID-19 patients as well. We have vehicles that are prepared to transport COVID-19 patients as well. So if somebody in the family or the person himself need to transport a patient that already affected with the virus, we have the capability to transport them as well.
Well, thank you for that. You brought up a good point. Saying you can transport people that have been infected with this virus, and obviously you don't want your loved ones to be exposed to it, or your friends to be exposed, or asking them to take you or pick you up or take you back to the house. I know of some patients that have stayed in secluded areas or away from their family. So this is a good way to actually not get them at risk. Calling you on, telling you to transport them. I know that there's a lot of transportation services or that are pretty much locked down because there's been either an employee that has been infected or someone that's been around it. So a lot of these services aren't available. So to know that you've kind of stayed above that, and kind of avoided that, it's good to know. That's good to know. Mohammed, also, being part of the chamber, I know I feel like we've talked a lot, but you're fairly new to our chamber. But
yes.
Obviously your business is important to us. Pre-pandemic, post-pandemic, we want you guys to succeed. How has the chamber helped you, during these challenging times?
Well, you're helping us now. I know you've the chamber been great actually for the meetings, for information to know, and for introducing us, to the rest of the community as well. Edinburg has been a good city for us. We've been here in business for 3 years. We're the largest non-emergency transportation company in the valley as well. We work with schools, we work with Medicaid patients. We're opening to bigger plans in Edinburg, and I'm glad that you guys helping getting the word for TCC out there as well. So it's been a good experience being on the chamber.
Perfect. Is there any last message you want to send out to our community?
Yes. The message I'm going to send to the community right now is stay home, stay safe, stay in business. Stay home to stop spreading the virus, and hopefully we can all go through this, and save much lives as much as we can.
All right, Mohammed. Well, thank you for joining. I guess again, Texas Chemical Cleaning. It's one of our members of the Edinburg Chamber. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you sometime soon.
Will do. Thank you very much for having me. Thanks.
Thank you.